Our focus on this school is fostering learning through the arts. And so that's our theme. So you'll see some of the murals represent the arts. And because we really focus on infusing that into our core curriculum. Children need the arts.
Watch a duck. It can be fun.
Home Depot was one of our partners. We want some of our kids to grow up and go be the manager there. The William Morris Endeavor Entertainment Talent Agency has developed to provide service to our children. A day of volunteering where individuals are not just talking about helping out our schools. They're coming in and with their own hands are bringing in trees, painting murals, and really doing things that positively affect the lives of our children here at Foster.
All right, let's give a hand for our Foster Back to School Pep Rally!
It's back to school for Foster Elementary. This Compton campus is celebrating a special giveaway to kick off the school.
Jackie?
Scholar of Excellence. Hello?
Jackie?
Yes?
Hi, Jackie! Hi, Jackie! It's Tom! So we got together with the National Lacrosse League and got you brand new backpacks and school supplies for all your scholars there.
Oh, really? Oh, my God, you're serious?
Jackie, we have one more surprise for you. We have to take a break, and we'll be right
No surprise! I can't take any more surprises.
Well, you're going to have to. Jackie, we were so impressed with your scholars and the work that you've done to turn the school around that the National Lacrosse League wanted to give you this check for $50,000.
Oh,